That's the Kevlar, right?
Huh? Is that bulletproof?
Yeah. Well, actually, I forgot my. I can't sell that one.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Why not?
Legal reasons now.
Morning, guys. We're up for a fun-filled morning of yard sales, so let's get right to it. We're gonna try this GoPro chest strap out today. I've used it for fishing before when I've made my backpacking videos, and it works really well, like on a float tube or when you need both hands for fishing, but never used it for yard sales. So we'll see how it works.
I think it's starting okay. When I came into this, I noticed things were over the
You did. He looks so his collar. They got it so big. I'm so glad that she came in front right. Yeah, we don't have much left. It was my niece's dad. He passed away in July, and so we brought stuff, and it's just a lot.
It was amazing.
It was
That's good. Your height and your group and everything. I would invest. We got 5 kids living here, so we said, yeah.
we're almost done.
Get out of the working world as soon as possible.
We made our the plan make us live back. Oh, that's working. Have a bag.
Hi. I have some VCR cleaners.
How about $5 for all that?
Okay.
Does that work? $3 for all of it.
Yeah, I was gonna say usually I pay like quarter each on VCR
Yeah,
stuff.
just
Okay.
$3 for all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that works for me.
This,
Sure.
It's not done yet.
this child is.
That's that one.
2,
Apparently wasn't the only one.
3. Sorry, it's a mess.
Oh, that's okay. That's
Still
it
spins.
looks good compared to some we got. So.
Oh. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna hold this up.
Nope.
How much are the shoes? 5. How much is this?
$2.
$2. Would you take one?
Sure.
Okay. All right, so 6.
Yes.
Okay.
Just next to Bruno.
There's 5. There's 6. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, no, I only have 2. Okay.
I'm looking for somebody to change that for me.
That, you
I can still use the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Broken, and you
How
have
many
to put
5s do you have?
Sorry.
350.
Know somebody?
No, around here? No. Don't.
Man, I sure
Cool.
wanna get that done.
Get something.
I want to say 2.66, but don't quote me on that.
What are these ones for?
Battle for Atlas.
I don't know what is that a PC game?
No, they got it for Switch and for Xbox.
Oh, really?
Yep. The only difference is they all kind of stack together and you can interchange them.
Oh, gotcha.
So you can use a different pallet with a different chip, swap out the weapons on it.
Cool. What are you asking on that?
I'll take $15 for all of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or we can do, yeah, we can do whatever.
Do you want the, is it the Skylander stuff?
Yeah, and I just don't know what my son has, so give me a chance to go. Unless you want to,
I said.
I don't want to lowball you on it.
Does it $10?
Make me an offer.
Oh, you $1?
You too.
Oh,
Cool.
yeah. 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 That's
Thank you.
totally fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
the Kevlar, right?
Is that bulletproof?
Oh, actually, I forgot my. I can't sell that one. My bad.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Why not?
Legal reasons not. My friend wanted to take it back, so he's all, don't sell it again.
Oh, shoot.
He had told me. I forgot about that.
Hey, projector.
$10.
$10 correcto. No tiene la tela, pero.
How much did you want for it?
He didn't want to tell me. That's why I was trying to get a price for it. Because he just let me borrow. I was using it just for running out here. Extra weight on it.
Oh, for like a weight vest?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But he's all like, nah, I want it back. If you're going to just sell it, I want you to sell it.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm like, all right then.
That's messed up.
That went off so quick, huh?
How much are the bobbleheads?
Rob, the bobbleheads?
Take all the angel stuff, $15.
Yeah, my wife's the Angels fan. I'm the Dodgers fan, so.
There you go. You got a good team there. That's what's up.
Oh, he wants to make his wife happy, $30. Double the price.
Thank you.
Will you take 10? I'll get it out of your hair. And then it'll make my wife happy.
You're getting 6 items. Yeah.
Well, I didn't really
You want the hats?
want the hats.
10 bucks.
10? Yeah, it works.
Why not?
All right, and then the Kevlar vest. There you go. Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, that's a bummer. That guy had out a Kevlar vest, military issue actually, and he had it on the bottom shelf, and I don't know if he was trying to kind of keep it quiet. He all of a sudden, I don't know if it's because he saw my camera, I'm guessing it is, he said all of a sudden that it wasn't for sale. He at first said, oh, because it's illegal or something like that. And then he said, no, my friend doesn't want me to sell it. Well, I have a feeling that he just kind of made up that story. Is it illegal to buy a bulletproof vest?
According to Bulletproof Zone, anyone can buy and use bulletproof vest in California except those with felony conviction. Bulletproof vests and other body armor can be bought face-to-face or online.
Huh. Well, why wouldn't he sell it then? Well, maybe he was telling the truth. I guess you can't sell one to a felon. I'm not a felon, so I don't know why he didn't want to sell it to me, unless maybe he was the felon. I don't know. It's just a bummer, either way. Let me know in the comments what you think. It would have been a good purchase. I probably would have kept it. I don't know, I guess I could have flipped it too, as long as I wasn't flipping it to a felon, right? That's what we just learned.